I'm not wearing a French maid costume.
Not even for the bit?
No, it's too weird.
But I'm wearing mine.
And you look marvelous. Happy Tuesday to you. It's Kevin Replinger here from ThankView, here to bring you the toppiest of tips to complete your spring cleanup checklist. These steps will have your database sparkling clean in no time. Now let's dust these tips. Okay, step 1 to cleaning up that email database is to export spam, bounced, and unsubscribed contacts so you can update their information. Or, if you're using a contact-based subscription like ThankView, delete those contacts and free up space for new supporter emails. Step 2, categorize or eliminate old contact lists. If you don't want to remove any data, go through and create a system for naming your lists for past campaigns. Tidy up. The next 2 steps, we're looking specifically at what ThankView content looks like, but they're applicable to any data management tool or email sending service you use. Now, you've cleaned up old contact lists, it's time to tag, folder, and favorite video content within ThankView. This is a great exercise if you have used ThankView for multiple years. You'll never know what gems you'll find in the old video library. Step 4. Use ThankView's engagement scores to build dynamic lists of 4 and 5-star recipients. These people are opening, clicking, watching, and responding to the ThankViews you send. Find out who they are so you can brainstorm ways to strengthen those relationships even more. And that's it. You've got it made. Oh, I get the costume now.